oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh yeah, move, it's a vibe. Lie down, oh yeah, dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh yeah, move, it's a vibe. Hey, 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 dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh yeah, move, it's a vibe. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Girl, you got to come closer, closer. And I promise you, baby girl, I go buy you new rover. Girl, you got to come over. Yeah.
Welcome back, beautiful people. It's your girl Delight. So today I'll be talking about how to make your hair super soft with Ethiopian butter. On the internet and looking for a solution for dry hair, so I came across this lovely Ethiopian man. Oh God, you need to see their curls. Oh, handsome, yummy. So I researched on how to make this. It's an Ethiopian hair regimen made from fresh cow milk. And you all know that it's very difficult to find fresh cow milk hair. So I'll be teaching you how to make this lovely butter from heavy whipped cream. I got this whipped cream from Trader's Joe. So I'll be using this butter to pre-poo my hair before washing. So let's get started. So I got the Trader's Joe heavy whipping cream. I poured it into a 16-ounce cup. You get a blender or a food processor to blend it. I'm pouring it into my blender to blend intermittently, burst for 5 minutes. That's the consistency. There will be separation of the water and the butter, so you sieve it out. This is what you should get after blending. It should thicken up, and this is the consistency. Section your hair and apply the butter. Apply it to each section. It's very good in detangling the hair, so you get to detangle it bit by bit. Super soft. How super soft. To this hydrate. So detangle, as in tangle so well. It was yummy. For my Nigerian people, or people in Nigeria or African country, I get it from them. If you can get fresh milk, it smells like wara. Kini wara ni? Oh God. You can get every whipped cream. You can get raw milk. The raw cow milk. I'm not. Look at my calls popping. Look at my calls. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my calls. Oh God. Look at my calls.
Giddy, 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 giddy. We survive. Love is all you need. Put it to survive. Baby, up in my ride, oh. Oh, you're on my side, oh. Survive. I done the looking for my far with the bounce. I know say you go one go party. I done the looking for your eyes, girl. I know say you go one drink shy, oh. I done the looking to your eyes, so I know say you go one dance better. I done the looking for my fat girl. I know say you go one dance. Oh, your dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh, your move is a vibe. Baby girl, oh, your dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh, your move is a vibe. Slide down, oh, your dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh, your move is a vibe. Hey, 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 dance is a vibe. It's a vibe, oh, your move is a vibe. Hey, hey, hey. I did my lane, they live life. I'm all about the good life, yeah. Nobody hating on this side.
I covered it up with a cap, and I'm going to use my bonnet. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you are going to give this Ethiopian butter a trial. Please comment below if you have any question, and also the results whenever you try this. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell beside it so that whenever I get to post a new video, you'll be the first to get to know. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye. So, no. Why am I like this now? As in the ending.